Hello, everyone. This is a microphone check. Can you hear me clearly?
Well, I can hear you perfectly clearly. I suppose the question is, can everybody hear me clearly?
Eric says yes. Carlos says yep.
Carlos says, yeah, that's good.
Perfect.
And we're not too quiet.
And Chris as well.
That's good.
Better than last week. Yeah, it couldn't be worse than last week.
Obviously, we're better than last week because it was Marco last week and it's me this week.
Yeah. Okay, then see you in 3 or 4 minutes. Let's start. Hello and welcome everyone to the Power BI quiz, where I have Chris as the guest tonight. Hello, Chris.
Hi.
How are you doing, Chris?
I'm good, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep, that's good. That's good. I'm well. It's nice to be here.
And you, I saw on your LinkedIn profile now you have been 1 year as a program manager, and
Yeah, I think in next week it'll be my first anniversary of working at Microsoft. It's gone very
oh
quickly,
yeah, and
but it's been a lot of fun. It's a good place to work. I know all the secrets now. There's so many cool things coming in the future of Power BI, but I can't tell you, unfortunately.
but actually it's the second time you are employed at Microsoft, isn't it?
Yes, yeah, I worked at Microsoft from 2001 to 2004, so that makes me sound old.
And tonight,
But yeah, right at the beginning of my career, I worked for Microsoft, but as a consultant, not at not for the kind not at the corp level.
no. But it is not today. We have the topic Power Query, and that also is what you are most famous for after MDX, of course.
Nobody talks about MDX anymore, so I guess Power Query is what I'm most famous for.
Yeah,
But yeah, there's a lot of cool things happening in the world of Power Query as well. So I'm really excited to be here and ask you some questions. I love the beard, Chris. Yeah, I was about to say that if you look at the picture that we've got up here of me, this was probably taken about 5 or 6 years ago. This is like my before and after lockdown look.
yeah, yeah. You didn't have a haircut for how long now?
Well, yeah, I needed a haircut like 6 weeks before when the lockdown happened, and I don't have dog clippers or anything. My daughter gave me a haircut, so my 16-year-old daughter gave me a haircut about a month ago, and that actually worked pretty well. It took about 2 hours because she was very careful, but actually, you know, when you think about the things that could go wrong when your 16-year-old daughter gives you a
Oh yeah.
haircut, and the first time, and she's learnt how to do men's haircuts from a YouTube video, then actually it was, it was a success. I was able to, go outside the door and not feel completely ashamed. But I think, I need more radical action. I need to go and buy some dog clippers and really, well, have a nice short haircut
Yeah,
like
it's
you.
really easy in these times doing the haircut yourself.
Exactly.
Would you help me pick the randomly winner, the raffle for the last win for the last week quiz with Marco?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
Then I will just go and find it. So here we have all the attendees from last week and the ranking. So congratulations one more time to Owen from New Zealand, who was up very early, 6 a.m. to win the quiz last week. And then all the rest of the attendees here. I have assigned every attendee a random number, not the rank number here, but a random number. So going in here, we have a list of all the participants. And now, do you have a lucky number, Chris?
Ooh, yeah, I would say 15, please.
15. We will go and pick 15. And then go drill through and pick the winner. And yeah, we have a winner. Govin Direct, who was ranked 25 and had this random index number. So congratulations to you. You have
congratulations.
Won the $99 gift card or voucher to SQL BI, where you can go in and pick a course or have a price off of one of the courses. There's one or two courses for $99. So congratulations to you. And then for the randomly winner this week, we will once again actually have this Power BI Blueprint course from Cube, because last week Marco picked a girl named Susan, and I haven't been able to find her. So unfortunately, she couldn't get the prize. So we'll reuse the prize this week for the random winner, or we can call it the raffle prize for this week. And then the big prize for the actual winner, we will have this $99 or $100 gift card to Lego.com. And here you see some of the things you can buy of these. And Nikki, who was the winner of the first show, actually just posted on Twitter earlier today that he bought this set, so the Deep Space Rocket launch control set,
Wow.
for his voucher or gift card he won. So yeah, if you're the winner today, you will get a $100 gift card to Lego.com, and you can freely use it. Yeah. So
What's the subject next week? I want to take
the
part.
subject next week, that's reporting. So actually a rather broad subject with read heavens. So yeah, first week we had a very narrow subject. It was gateways. Then we had the DAX and data modeling. Now today we have Power Query and data mashup. And next week we have reporting. So then we have actually fulfilled the overall parts of Power BI, I will say. And after that, we will have Askia actually coming in and doing a quiz on governance, which is also a very important part. Yeah. And then I haven't found the attendees or guests, but probably we'll have a quiz on data flows, I would say, and yeah, there's so many topics we can cover in the future. So we'll go on.
I will ask my colleagues on the cat team who wants to go next.
Oh, nice! That could be really nice. Yeah, absolutely. But now for the actual thing we are here for, that is the Kahoot. So starting up here, we have some, I won't say rules, but we have some things you have to be clear of. You will see all the questions on your monitor, and then you will all answer on your mobile phone or your tablet. So you have to have two devices, or I will recommend you have two devices, because otherwise it will be a lot flipping around. And on your mobile device, you can go to kahoot.it, and then you will put in your pin, a game pin that I will show shortly. And please use your full name or Twitter handle, because then if you win the random prize, the raffle prize, then I can find you more easily. Or you can contact me, but it is firstly picked in the next show. So if you're not attending next show and have just called yourself Susan, then I can probably find you. And then also be aware that there's a delay. So, which means that the answer options will come up before on your mobile that you see on the screen. And also there's a countdown. We have 30 seconds for every answer today, but actually then you also actually only have 25 seconds. So you don't have time to let it run out. So please answer before it run out, because if you don't answer before it run out, yeah, you don't award any points. And also, the faster you the answer, the more points you get, and you also get points for streaks. So if you answer correctly in a streak. And then we'll just have one start question with no points, just to get you started. And then we have these three real questions with points, the questions that Chris has delivered. So let's see. And let's get started and show you the pin code. So going back to the prizes and shifting to the Kahoot. So now you see the game pin. And we have Benny Audacity.
Hooray, Ben is first.
Yeah, I would say there's a big pressure on Benny.
Adam, you're not allowed
This
to play.
week.
I was joking when I said I was going to take part next week. It's all right. Adam won't win. He's having a bad day with his allergies, so he's going to be too slow on the response.
$38 players up till now.
39. Well, it's good to see so many names I recognize there.
Yeah. 40.
Come on, we need one more.
One more, yeah. 41,
right.
yeah. We have been around 41 the 2 last weeks, so let's see.
All right, so at least I did as well as last week.
Yeah, I think people have got a chance. 42 was the answer. Adam is writing, yeah. Let's see, can we get it to 42? No. Let's start.
No, obviously not.
And this is the first question that's not awarded any points.
Well, it's going to depend on where you're based, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. And hopefully people will answer where they're based, yeah. So we can see. Last week it was pretty evenly. Yeah. No surprise. There's not that much in the morning, but very surprising there's so many in the night. I think that's people from India and South Asia. Yeah. Wow. And now, let us...
Well, some of the questions coming up are going to be a little bit more difficult.
Oh, yeah. But I think we'll start with an easy one.
Yes. Now, I would expect everybody to get this one. Everybody's got it now.
30 seconds for this one was...
I promise you the next question is going to be a lot more difficult.
42, yeah. We have... Yeah, let's see. And this is only based on if you are answering very quickly.
All right. Next, let's see who gets this one right. You'll have to open up the Power Query editor pretty quickly, I think.
And it's not that is very important here.
Yeah, you see, I was looking down that list and I thought, FHIR, what's that? But it's there. It's there.
Okay. And do you know what system that is?
Some kind of health system, I think. There was a blog post about it.
So if you hadn't read,
I did
that
Google
post, yeah.
Yeah. I just randomly guessed, haha. It's a health standard format, yes. Yeah, I think I maybe had a customer a couple of years ago that did something with that. So. Wow, you see, it's completely changed the scoreboard.
Absolutely. Let's take the next question.
All right. The next one is going to be pretty tricky as well. We'll see who's been reading my blog recently.
Oh.
There we go.
Ooh. Tricky one.
Ooh. Yeah. This is going to be. This is going to cause problems for the people who are, usually on top of the list. Now let's see how this is.
Oh, Agent M and Adam Saxton.
And Adam second.
Wow.
Ah, very impressive, Mr. Saxton. All right, what's
double points?
Yes. So this is maybe something that a few more people will get.
Yeah, remember it also had a code name before it was Asia Lab project.
It did. Well, it was part of a product that was never released. So it was part of something called Project Barcelona.
Oh yeah.
But when it was, oh yeah, sorry, Project Oslo. Yeah, you're right.
But then when it was released, first time it was.
But it's an Azure Labs project. And yes,
Data Explorer.
It was called Data Explorer. That's when I first saw it and started playing with it.
And now Power Query is taking over all things in Asia.
Exactly.
And data platform.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Oh, this will be controversial.
Yeah. And Don Svensson also made it to top 5.
Yeah. All right, here's another one that you will probably not get without looking.
So now we are in Excel, not in Power BI.
Yeah, but it's still Power Query. It's still Power Query.
So can you quickly open Excel now and see?
Well, yeah, can you open Excel in 30 seconds with the Power Query editor? Probably not. But if you've got Excel open already, then there's a chance.
Yeah, Marco last week had a tricky question that people actually could Google, but it will not show the right answer.
Yeah. We've got some Excel users in the house.
Yeah, and when was it changed this? It hasn't been that always.
I think it's always been close and load in Excel. The trouble is it's close and apply in Power BI, but close and load in Excel.
That's the way it is.
That's the controversial thing.
That's how. Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, Adam's slipping down the list. Agent M.
Wow. And Lars Andersen. Our local Microsoft guy from Denmark.
Yes. This is maybe a little bit of an easier one. If you know this, you will know this.
I expect Eric to answer this one correctly. He has used it in a couple of different sessions.
I had to open up the Power Query language spec just to make sure that I got the right term. It's an intrinsic variable. Nothing. Yeah. There we go. That's good.
And can you actually write the other ones?
No, functions isn't one, but sections and table are valid.
Yeah.
Sections doesn't really do anything useful at all, but table's good.
And then shared is really good, yeah.
Yes, shared is really handy because you can not only see the list of functions, you can click on the function, you can see the documentation in the Power Query editor as well for it.
Let's see.
See how everybody's doing.
Ooh. And we have Owen with us again this week. Yeah.
Still close.
Agent M. Who is Agent M? Can you write on the chat?
Yeah, who is them? Hey, get on the chat and tell us who you are, Agent M. No, Benny's under his own name.
Yeah. But Benny has been in top 3 the last 2 weeks, so there's a lot of pressure on him.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Alex M. Powers.
Oh, well, there you go. That makes a lot of
Absolutely.
sense. That makes a lot of sense.
Let's see.
All right. This should be an easier one. It's all going to be down to how quickly you can answer. I don't think we've got any other. Well, there's one more obscure one to go. One more obscure one left. Perfect. Perfect.
Most of people got that right.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Even though I checked it before, I still have these worries that I've given an incorrect answer, and especially when you see you've got all the kind of real Power Query fans in the audience.
Oh,
It would be it would be very embarrassing if I put an incorrect answer down.
but this one was correct, and let's hope the last one also. Yeah.
Oh, he's pulling away at the top. Lars is doing well,
Yeah.
though. Lars is
Solo
doing well.
Turo also. Yeah.
What's next? Oh, this is an easy one. This is a very easy one.
I expect Nikki to be very capable of answering this question.
Well, Alex has been doing a whole series of.
That's right. Yeah.
Whole series on. I almost said it out loud on this particular topic.
Yeah.
So if he's not at the top of the list when we see the results for this, I will be very surprised.
Yeah.
There we go.
And maybe also some of the people that are following Alex in his 30-day challenge on query forwarding will be on the show tonight.
Yep.
Yeah. So a shout.
So shout out to Alex. Alex, put the link to your your series in the chat.
Yeah, it's running all of May, so you can still catch up. And I think you can start from scratch if you're just quick enough. But there's a challenge every week on Power Query and query forwarding. So yeah, that's a nice challenge.
So let's see. He's still there. Oh.
Yeah.
But it's still close. It's still very close.
Oh yeah. Very close. Yeah. And
this should be an easier one. Alex is down to, sorry, Adam is down to 8th place. Power BI tenant admins should be able to disable native queries. Probably, yes. Computed entities. Well, I'm glad most people got that. That's good.
Yeah. That is one of the Power BI premium features. There's another one in data flows. It is linked entities, isn't it?
Linked entities. Yeah, exactly. That would be one of the other features. And then there's the auto ML features and things like that.
Yeah.
Now,
for the last question.
Let's see if Agent M is still top of the list.
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, but it's still close.
It is really close. 3 people have reached answer streak 9, so a lot of people have answered correctly on 9 one.
I made these questions too easy, didn't I?
Maybe, yeah. Let's see with the last one. The last one is awarded double points, so you will actually still have a chance. You can have 2,000 points in the last one, plus some answer streak bonus points. So let's see with the last one.
This is another slightly obscure one, but
custom connectors.
Now they were going to change it at some point, but I don't think they have yet. And certainly there's only one that's actually correct.
So if you...
The others I made up. Oh, mic drop.
Alex already called it a winner. Let's
Yes.
see. So it is a .mess.
Well, I think that if Lars was on that quick.
Let's have a look and see who got third. Owen, congratulations.
Last week's winner.
Don Swenson second.
Oh.
And woo!
Yay!
Congratulations. And the runner-up, we also have Adam Sexton and Lars Andersen. Congratulations to all of you.
To answer Rishi's question, what's the reasoning behind that extension? I guess it's something to do with mashups, but I have no idea at all.
Okay. But thank you for everyone participating tonight.
Yep.
And we will have it again next week, where it's around reporting, where we have Reed Hammonds in the studio, so to say. Yeah, so have a good day, good evening, good night, depending on where you are. So thank you, and thank you to you, Chris.
Thanks for playing.
Thank you for...
No, it's my pleasure. It's been a lot of fun.
Thank you.
All right.
See you
then.
Bye-bye.